Monire, 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 Monire Mose. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Roden Masiamponera. If this is your first time to be here, please subscribe. And also, if you learned something new from this video, please like the video. This channel is here to support you to learn a new language, which is Chitumbuka, my mother tongue. I'm Lorraine, I'm from Malawi, and I was born and grew up in Malawi, so Chitumbuka is the language that I'm very, very familiar with. And so it's really a privilege that I can share the language with the world. I'm truly excited. So this video, it will blow you away. We are talking about a family, okay? So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. Okay, so we are looking at family. Family in Chitumbuka and Hey Ngwa. See how we're learning the 3 and 4 letter and 5 consonant type of words so that we can use it, we can understand it. And Hey Ngwa means family, or some people call it Banja. It means the same, family. So in a family, we have someone called Mwanalumi. Mwanalumi means a male. Mwanakazi is female. Okay, in traditional definitions. Okay. So when we say Vamama or Amama means mother. Va-ma-ma. A-ma-ma. Mother. The man will call his wife Baurivani. So Baboli Vani means my wife. Vani means mine. Baboli means Mrs. my wife. Yeah. Okay. But also mother can be your biological mother. It may also not be your biological mother. In Malawi, it's also a sign of respect. Yeah, like I've put here, a sign of respect. Someone is quite old at the age of your mom, you just call them mom. My mom's sisters, they are all my moms. You know, so it has a bigger meaning. But at a family level, as a unit, your mother, then you have a father, you have children, and all of that. So we'll look into all of that. And the father is called Vadada or Adada. Just like you say dad, Adada, Vadada, father. So my father is the man. And the woman, though this is her husband, she would say Vafumu Vane. My husband. Bawoli Vane, my wife. Vafumu Vane, husband. Fumu also means king. So in this case, it's like my king, yeah, Bafumwane. When you have children in that family, when we say mchokowane can mean, if I have my young sister, I would say mchokowane. This is my young sister, mchokowane. Wane means me, yeah? So mchoko means smaller, as in younger in this case. So if it's boys, they would say the same thing, mchokowane, but it's referring to boys. If I have a young brother, I would not say mchokowane. Mchokowane has to be the same gender. A brother to her little brother would say mchokowane. A sister to her little sister would say mchokowane. But not, I cannot use for my young brother, say mchokowane. No, I would say this is my young brother, Mdumbwani, meaning my, Mdumbwani. We'll look at Mdumbwani in a minute. This one, Mdumbwani, just my brother. Okay. So we have here Valongosi. Valongosi, like I've put here, excuse me, can mean a sister or can mean a brother. So if it comes from me, if there are two different sexes, myself and my brother will call each other Valongosi. You will call me Valongosi, I will call him Valongosi because he's my brother. But me and my sister, we cannot call each other Valongosi. But even my brother cannot call my other brother to say Valongosi. It will be Vakurvani or Mchokwani. You know, Mchokwani, my little brother, Vakurvani, my older brother. If it was me as a woman, Mchokwani would be a little sister. Vakurvani would be my older sister. Okay. So Vakuru, this is why I've put here. Vakuru can only apply if you are calling someone with the same sex. You cannot, if you are a man, you don't address a woman like me to say Vakuru. No. This is why I'm putting same sex to say. You can only say this if it's for the same. If you're a woman and calling me Vakuru, I would happily appreciate that. I'm like, oh yeah, she's my sister. But if it's a man calling me Vakuru, I'm like, what? I can't be your, your brother, your older brother. I'm not a man. Something like that. So yeah, so it's this, you can only apply this if it's same sex, but Balongosi, opposite sex. So myself, I cannot call my sister Balongosi. Balongosi is opposite sex. My brother would be Balongosi. My brother would also call me Balongosi. But two brothers cannot call each other Balongosi. No. Because it's for opposite sex. Yeah. Okay. So Mdumbuani is the same. I can talk about my brother to say, this is Mdumbuani, this is my brother. Mdumbu means my brother. So I can say the same thing, say this is my brother, Mdumbuani, but also only for different sexes. Two brothers cannot call each other Mdumbu, no. Myself, I can call my brother can call me Mdumbu or Varongosi. But yeah, so it's for different sexes. Okay. Okay. If that family has a child in general is mwana, without specifying sex, just mwana, a child. But if we go into mwana wa bonda, or if someone just says in short bonda, we have a bond, meaning we have a newborn. Bonda is newborn. Mwana wa bonda, newborn. Okay. So, like we say, mwana is a child, okay? Mwana msepuka means a baby boy or a boy child. Mwanarumi is the same. Msepuka or mwanarumi means the same, a boy. Child. Mwanarumi, msepuka. Mwana ni mwanaule, msepuka. What's the gender for your child? Is a boy. Msepuka. Mwanarume. Boy. Msepuka or mwanarume. Mwanakazi. Girl child. Mwanakazi. Or msungwana. Mwana msungwana. Ni mwanaule msungwana. What child do you have? Is a girl. Yeah. So girl child or a girl. In the family, we also have Babuya or Agogo. In my language, Babuya is, in Chitumbuka is commonest, but Agogo is also commoner. So you need to know both. if someone says babuya, it's just saying my grandmother. It doesn't matter which side, whether from your paternal side or maternal side, they are both grandma, grandma, grandma. So babuya, babuya, babuya. Babuya bane, bagogo bane, agogo. It's associated with Kingoni or Chichera, but we also use it by Chitumbuka. Agogo, babuya, but babuya is also common. We still use it a lot. And Vasekuru, Vasekuru, babuya is grandmother, Vasekuru is grandfather. So you cannot call your grandmother Vasekuru because Vasekuru is a man. Babuya is a woman. So grandmother, babuya. Or go-go. Or wagogo. Or agogo. It's the same. Vasekuru means grandfather. But gogo, yeah, some people call both agogo amuna, agogo akazi, a female like granny and a male granny, something like that. So can apply to both. Babuya, Baseko. Okay, so that's it in short for a family, but we'll also look into relatives. How do we call, your father's cousin, your father's sister, your father, and all of that. Or even, people that you are just from the same village because it's the same locality and stuff like that. We'll look into that. Let me stop share now. But for now, this is it about family. So I'm wearing this top, and you will also see that the thumbnail for this video, I'm wearing this top when I was last with my family in Malawi at the airport. Is it Lilongwe? Yeah, Lilongwe Kamuzu International Airport or Lilongwe International Airport. Yeah, so this is it, guys, for the family. If you have questions, comments, or anything that you want clarification or you want me to cover, just put in the comments below, and I will happily share with you. So for now, Naluta. Naluta means bye. So you answer me back, yewo, meaning thank you. Okay. Now